If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill an area using color drop. So I have an orange circle here for our example today. As you can see, there are holes within the line of our circle, which means that when we use color drop by dragging and dropping the color into the circle, the color will spill out. Our color would stay within the circle if our lines were solid, but because there are holes in our lines, the color's not going to stay. We can fix this problem by activating color drop threshold. Let's activate color drop by dragging the color into the selected area, then holding our finger there for a second before we slide left or right to adjust the color fill. When you're happy with where your color is placed, you can commit to it by lifting your finger. A good thing about color drop threshold is that it remembers the last move you've made and will fill an area with the same amount of color. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.